Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to pin messages on Telegram. Telegram has this pin feature which is quite similar to WhatsApp as it helps users to pin important messages or chats in the app. If you'd like to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up your Telegram application from your app drawer. Log into your Telegram account if necessary, and once you're in, you'll be able to see all of the chats you've made till date in the screen. If you'd like to pin in important messages from the main homepage of Telegram, press hold one of the chats that you'd like to pin. Let me pick this one over here. Once you do that, your chat will be selected, and now simply go to the top of the screen and tap on this pin button, which will help you pin your messages at the top as an important message on Telegram. In case you'd like to unpin the particular message, then you'll simply press hold the chat again and then select the pin button at the top one more time, and there you go. That way, you'll be able to pin an important message on top of the chat screen on Telegram. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.